flock of seagulls. Oh. I guess we can all listen to this. Hold on. I'm gonna read Supas. Make the birds louder? They're as loud as I maxed them out. I don't know how to make them any louder. Is there a filter on OBS that makes things get bass boosted? Okay. I can add gain. How does it sound? Okay. We can't hear me. What? Just, how can you not hear me? Listen! It's like you guys don't listen to me. How aren't you guys listening to me? Please listen to me. Best super reading ever, don't ever change. Oh, okay. I'm gonna go. I finished, I caught up. Turn the mic louder. I'm gonna pick the mic, okay? I'm warning you. Everyone turn this down. I have to pick the mic before I leave stream. And then after I pick the mic, I'm gonna go, okay? So we're gonna see what it's like if I max this out. Okay, is everyone ready? Is everyone ready? Warning! 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 I'm turning the filter up to pick it. Okay? We're just gonna see what it sounds like.